Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Niro X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, electric motor, 60 horsepower and front seat type, bucket. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.